Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the lesson number 2, The Witches. Firstly, tell me, what do you know about the witches? Okay, let's continue. Actually, the witch does not exist in our society, but there are some evil things which exist and we should take care about them, and there are some persons also from whom we should take care of ourselves, and we should not go outside without our parents or without their permission. So this is the chapter, The Witches. It is written by, that means the narrator of the story is Roald Dahl. Roald Dahl, who was a spy, fighter pilot and an author. Have you seen the movie The BFG? No? So please go today and watch the movie The BFG. It was also written by Roald Dahl. So once upon a time, when Roald Dahl was, that means the narrator was 8 years old, he was going to his grandmother's house to celebrate the Christmas. When he was coming from there, he came to an accident and his parents got dead. Then he used to live with his grandmother, and his grandmother was living in Oslo in Norway. So where does his grandmother was living? Oslo in Norway. So after when his parents died, he used to live sad. He was very sad because his parents were not with him. So his grandmother used to tell him the stories. So one day his grandmother told him a story about the witches. About the witches. Very good. So in that story, his grandmother told him that these stories are true stories. These stories are true stories of Oslo. So in these stories, she was telling him that in Oslo, 5 children got disappeared from Oslo. 5 children get disappeared. Okay. So how did they get disappeared? We will read in the story. So first child was Ragnhild. Ragnhild was 8-year-old girl. Ragnhild was 8-year-old girl. One day she was playing with her sister. So when she was playing her sister, her mother came out of the kitchen and asked her sister, "Where is Ragnhild?" Then her sister answered that a tall lady with white gloves came and took the Ragnhild with her. A tall lady with white gloves came there and took the Ragnhild with her. After that incident, Ragnhild never appeared again there. Number two was, there was a Christensen's family living over there. In that family, there was an oil painting in their room, and in that painting there were 3 ducks and nothing was there. So another day, Solveig was their daughter. So one day Solveig was returning from her school. So she met with an aunt, and that lady gave her an apple to eat. After eating that apple, Solveig come to her home, and after coming home, she got slept. But after 2 hours, when her father came into her house and saw that Solveig was not on her bed, and father saw that Solveig was in painting. Where she was? She was in painting, and in painting she was throwing the bread to the ducks. After that, she never returned from that painting, and she used to live in that painting. Then number 3 is Birgit Svensson. Birgit Svensson was a boy. One day, suddenly, the feather started growing on his body. Birgit Svensson was a boy. One day, suddenly, the feather grows on his body, and after a month, he turned into a white chicken. He turned into a white chicken, and he used to lay down the brown eggs. And after that, he never changed again into a boy. Fourth child was Harald. Harald was a boy. One day, suddenly his skin turned grayish yellow color, and slowly it turned into the stone. So like these 4 cases, there was another one case, Leif. Leif was a boy, and one day he went with his family for picnic. When he was picnicking, there he used to swim in the water, and suddenly he dived in the water, and when he came out of the water, he became the porpoise. Porpoise means an animal. He became porpoise. So according to these stories, we conclude that his grandmother said that there was witches in Norway in every street, even in their street also. So the narrator should stay into the home and quite safe, and he will be quite safe at home. That means his grandmother want to give him a message that he should stay in the home and he would be safe at the home. So this was the whole story. I think you got the whole story. Please read the lesson 1 to 2 times and then do the glossary of this lesson.